Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the tools we need to write JavaScript code in our machine. First of all, we need a code editor. For this course, I will recommend using Visual Studio Code. It is completely free code editor by Microsoft. You can download that from code.visualstudio.com. Okay, so you can just visit this website, and here I am inside of Linux. That is why it is showing me two buttons like download for Linux. But if you are in Windows or Mac OS, it will show like, hey, download for Windows or download for Mac OS. You can just click on the download button and you can just install Visual Studio Code into your machine. Okay. Then for the browser, I will use Google Chrome throughout this course. Okay. In case if you are more familiar with Firefox browser, that is totally fine as well. You can use Firefox as well, but I will use Google Chrome browser in this course. So basically these are two simple things which you need to write JavaScript code. Okay. And once again, you do not have to install JavaScript separately. The browser will be able to display the JavaScript code output for us. Okay. Awesome. So these are two different things. So just download and install Visual Studio Code and download and install a web browser for writing the code. Okay, awesome.